If you've ever been on the farm or job site, eventually your equipment's going to run out of diesel. Well, sometimes you're not going to be able to get to it, so what then? The Piusi Pitstop is a revolutionary and unique product that combines a ton of commonly used products and features all into one compact package. The Pitstop is a 50-foot hose reel with a mounting plate and 2 built-in transfer pumps. These pumps run in series to help increase throughput and flow rate over longer distances. Also included with this package is a nozzle holder, the automatic nozzle, your swivel, anti-kink hose, a place for your padlock to keep the nozzle in its holder, your switch, and a filter. And you also get a spare filter as standard with this package. Attaching the Pitstop to your transfer tank is extremely easy thanks to the MPT connection at the back. This allows you to connect to hard plumbing or a flexible suction hose. Piusi also offers the optional transfer tank suction pipe kit. This kit includes your swivel with MPT connections, your elbow, your tank adapter, as well as your suction pipe. You'll also want to make sure you get the right length suction hose for your specific application. If you want to know more about the Piusi Pitstop turnkey solution, check out piusi.com. That's Piusi.com.